Hey guys, today we're going to be putting AI to the test to see if it could shop better than I can. Essentially, how this is going to work is I'm going to be using Wizard, which is an AI shopping agent. I'm going to search for items in different categories and I'm going to purchase whatever Wizard recommends to me. Usually, I just shop on Amazon, so then I'm going to take the same searches, put them into Amazon, and whatever the first recommendation is, I'm going to buy that too, and we're going to compare the two products. So, let's see who's the better shopper. Alright, let's spin the wheel to see what our first category is. Okay, it looks like our first category we're gonna shop for is beauty. I'm actually a big makeup girl, so I kind of feel like I'm gonna be able to tell who the winner is right away, but we're gonna go ahead and start off with Wizard. So on Wizard, we're gonna search for a matte concealer to hide dark under eyes under $30 because those are kind of the main concerns I have when I'm shopping for concealer. And Wizard gave us 5 options to choose from. How this works is they scan the entire web, reading customer reviews, editorials, product specs, and that's how they choose these options that we're looking at right now. And I'm actually a big fan of most of these brands I've used before and really like. But I'm actually going to go with the very first option right here, which is Juvia's Place, I believe, by Ulta. And I actually really like that they kind of give a product summary right here. And according to Wizard, this concealer is sweat proof, which is huge considering I live in LA and I'm always at the beach and running around. So, very excited to see if that holds true. We're going to select visit store and Wizard's going to bring us to Ulta's site. And now you just check out like you typically would on Ulta. So, I'm first just going to make sure that I have the right shade selected. This one looks just about right. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this to my cart and check out. Now it's time for Amazon. Okay, I did the same search on Amazon and I'm also going to choose the first product that it gives me. And in this case, that's going to be the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, which, funny enough, I actually already own. So I don't even need to go ahead and buy a second one. I already have the product. So let's fast forward and compare. Okay, I got both of my package. We're going to start off with this package from Wizard. It was literally delivered 2 hours after I placed the order. I got same day delivery via DoorDash from Ulta. So this is the concealer from Wizard. And then, like I said earlier, I already had these concealers that Amazon recommended, so there was no need to pay for shipping again. But let's put these to the test. First, we have the AI concealer recommended by Wizard. This was 4.5 out of 5 stars based on over 3,000 reviews, and it was only $18, so it was actually less than the $30 budget I gave. Before we put this on, we're going to take off all of our makeup so we could really see the difference. All right, our makeup is off, so let's test out this concealer from Wizard. I'm just going to start off with my under eye. I actually really like that this is a stick concealer. So I feel like you have a lot more control of how much product you're putting on. And it's just a little less messy, which I really appreciate. But let's blend this and see if it's actually able to cover my dark spots or not. So far, I think this is doing a really good job of coverage, actually. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, let me speed do the rest. Okay, now that we're all blended, I have to say this did a really great job. It feels super lightweight. I feel like it did a really great job of covering a dark spot I have right here, as well as the bags under my eyes. Honestly, a little goes a long way with this, but I feel like it's very full coverage. And now that I'm looking at it, I actually think that there's more concealer in this than the one off of Amazon. But that's a perfect segue. Let's go try out the one from Amazon and see which one we like best. Okay, now we have the concealer that Amazon recommended. Like I said, I had this one previously and I've been using it for quite some time. You could tell by this one. Right off the bat, I will say one thing I don't love about it is the packaging. The applicator at the top right here gets pretty gross looking pretty quickly. Rather than a stick concealer, I think that stays cleaner for a little bit faster. We're just going to go ahead and apply our under eyes, and then we're also going to do the dark spot on my forehead right here. One thing I will say about the foam tip applicator is I feel like you have a little less control of how much product you're actually putting on your face. Okay, we have the Amazon concealer fully applied, and I will say this also feels very lightweight. I think it blended really easily. One thing I will say is it seems I think it doesn't have as full of coverage. I feel like right here, I don't know if you guys could tell if the camera's close enough or not, but there's still like a little bit of a purple under my under eye. And then right here, I can still see a little bit of a dark spot from my dark spot on my face. So I do feel like the Amazon one didn't do as good of a job with coverage. Not to mention, now that I have the two next to each other, the one from Wizard is just significantly bigger. You're getting a lot more bang for your buck, if you will, where it seems like this concealer could last me for probably a year versus this concealer I think would only last a few months. Granted, I'm pretty sure I bought this like a month ago. So there you have it. For this round, we're gonna have to say Wizard is the winner when it comes to shopping for beauty. Let's see what we're gonna shop for next. Okay, and the winner is tech. Okay, I actually feel like this is a bit of a harder category to shop for. I'm not a super technical person, so I'm very interested to see who comes out on top here. I'm actually currently in the market for a digital camera that I could just kind of throw in my purse, take pictures with my friends when we're out. So let's start off with Wizard and see what it recommends. On Wizard, we searched best cheap digital camera for taking pictures with flash under $100. And let's see, our top match right here is by Best Buy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this. And this looks perfect. It's even a little bit under budget, which is honestly great. Built-in flash, USB charging. So we're just gonna like visit store again. And it's gonna bring us over to Best Buy. And just like we did on Ulta, we're just going to check out like we typically would on Best Buy. On Amazon, we did the exact same search, and we're gonna go with the first result, which is sponsored, so hopefully it's good. It is this brandless digital camera. I will say it's $36, which is much cheaper than the $100 budget we specified. So hopefully it is still good, but we're just gonna go ahead and add to cart, check out, and we're gonna see which one's better. Okay, both of our packages have arrived. This is Best Buy, this is Amazon, obviously. And surprisingly, I didn't realize how fast Best Buy ships. The camera I ordered from Wizard actually ended up coming the next day, like I think 12 hours after I placed the order, basically. Versus the one from Amazon came 2 days later. So both had pretty fast shipping, I would say. But let's open these up and see which one's better. All right, to test out these cameras, I had a little bit of a photo shoot, and here's what I instantly noticed. To start off, the camera from Wizard has a much larger screen to preview your image, and it also has this zoom lens. So you have a little bit more control, it feels like, of zooming in on your image, getting it more in focus. And it also is a 48 megapixel camera, meaning your images just come out sharper. Versus the camera from Amazon, although it is smaller, it seems like it dies pretty fast. I was only taking photos with these cameras for maybe 15 minutes, and this already went to low battery, while the camera from Wizard was completely fine and basically still fully charged. Beyond that, this was also a little bit laggy, I felt like, when it was taking back to back photos. Ultimately, I think the photos do the talking for themselves. The photos from the Wizard camera are just more clear, while the photos that I took using the camera from Amazon appear slightly blurred and just not as high quality. I would have to say the Wizard camera is clearly higher quality, although it was at a slightly higher price point than the camera from Amazon. Overall, the pictures are just significantly better, as well as it seems like the camera would last a lot longer than the Amazon one. So for this round, I'm gonna have to say Wizard wins again. After all these tests, I think it's safe to say Wizard is our clear winner. When it came to shipping, both Amazon and Wizard were pretty fast. They delivered either same day or within 2 days from me placing my order. However, when it came to quality of products, Wizard really exceeded my expectations. In both beauty and electronics, I feel like the products I got from Wizard were just higher quality and worked better for my needs. Although the products from Amazon were a little bit cheaper, they honestly just didn't do as good of a job. They felt cheaper, they felt lower quality, and quite honestly, I just don't think I would use them nearly as much as the products from Wizard, and they probably wouldn't last nearly as long either. If you guys want an AI agent to shop for you, you can sign up for Wizard at the link down below in the description. It is 100% free. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment of what you want our AI agent to shop for next. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.